Hello, friends and fans. Welcome to SBC. I got this record here, and it is so dirty that I didn't want to play it. So I have to clean it. And this is the perfect chance to show you how I clean my records. The brutal way. First, I start with a ice cold wash of water. So, just to blow away the dust and loose dirt. Okay, now I use soap, just pure soap. Carefully massaging it in. So, nice and soapy. So, now I start with a warm water wash. Just warm, not hot. We don't want to melt it. Carefully wash away all the dirt. Now pressure wash with ice cold water. I use maximum pressure to clean any groove and any dirt out of it. So, finished. But we have to wipe it clean. We can't let it dry in this way. I use just this normal kitchen paper. It's not so soft like toilet paper. This is the perfect thing here to clean it or something. So just follow the grooves. We don't want to scratch it or rub on it. So, finished. It's like new. And to check out that I didn't have ruined it, I play it for you. So be careful now, this is gonna be really loud. So, that's it. Now you know how I wet clean my records, the brutal way.